I'm in beautiful Panama City and I'm about to get some sun, but my stomach hurts. I just need my back and like my upper thighs would be amazing.
That's awesome, yeah. You going to grad school or what?
Yeah, I was like born and raised in Northern California. Now I'm doing my grad school at the University of San Diego.
Oh, that's cool.
That's the mind.
Fought it? Did you fart?
I think that was you.
You farted again?
It's like, yes. Sorry, it's like
Happens.
rolling so low.
Y'all by yourself?
Sorry.
Lower thighs, so here?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I drink so much beer today. I eat a lot of sushi. It's German, so I burn really. Sorry.
That's fine.
I'm trying to hold it. It's not staying in. Okay, sorry. Yeah, like really sick. I think you can watch my stuff while I just run to the bathroom really quick. Let me come in a situation.
Yeah.
Okay, just really quick. I'm so sorry.
Oh, still sitting with that girl. I may be here for a little bit.
I think she went to go take a shit, honestly. She needed to.
Alright, nice meeting you, sweetie.
Thanks.
I hope I helped you. There you go.
Bye.
No problem.
I've been talking to you for over 2 months. You're telling me all about your senior year at Monmouth College and how you're a big football star there.